welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Daily Goodie Box. The Daily Goodie Box is a free subscription box that gives you free samples. Most of them are full size, so I love that. Daily Goodie Box is a box that you can sign up for, and if you review, the only thing that you have to do really is review the items that they include in the box, and then you may qualify for another box for the next month. This box was sent to me by Daily Goodie Box in return of my opinion. It's absolutely free. I just need to review it. This is for the month of March. Down in the description box will be links to each of the items that the box includes in case you are interested in a particular item from the box. They just want to get that and go with it. Daily Goodie Box. They do send this in the mail, in another priority mail box. But let's get started with the unboxing. This is how they usually bring it every month, with this little teal thing, and then this little card says you got a box. Yeah. So we can go ahead and go into it. I really just like to go ahead and go in it and check it out. Ooh! Jackpot. Sea salt popcorn. We got a full baggie of sea salt popcorn.
Popcorn.
90 calories per bag, it says. And it's 0.6 ounces. This is a good size.
Popcorn.
This is a good size of a sample that you literally could taste to see if you like it or not. Sea salt popcorn. What is it's called Jackpot. Jackpot is the thing. Yay, let's see next item. Oh, Jessica's Gluten-Free Vanilla Maple Granola. Ooh, by Natural Foods. Look at this. A little baggie of granola. Gluten-free and wheat-free. No trans fat, no cholesterol, no GMO verified. Made with certified gluten-free oats. Let me open that popcorn because then Luna wants some. Let's see. Regular old popcorn.
Mom.
That's really yummy. The granola, of course, looks like granola. It's a nice little sample. Literally, you can taste if you want it or not. Hold on, Luna. Hold on. No, come on. The next item is this by Natralia, and this is the Eczema Moisturizing Lotion for daily use. Protects skin from irritation and itching, relieves dry skin with colloid oatmeal. And look at the size of my face. It's absolutely full size. Look it comes like this, and this is for eczema moisturizing lotion for daily use. So absolutely, these kinds of size samples is what I love, because you actually can test it and not a little sample thing that you put it in. Might work, might not work, who knows. Eczema moisturizing lotion. It's nice to have this and nice to try it out. Most of the items included in the Daily Goodie Box are not something that you will find in other boxes because they're kind of special. The next thing here is this sparkling Avitae caffeine plus water mandarin passion fruit with other natural flavors, and it's a full. This is how many? I think this is 8 ounces. I could be wrong.
Is this 2 ounces?
Oh, it's 12 ounces. It's vitamin caffeinated water. I've never seen this one either. Look at that. And it's passion fruit and mandarin. Very nice size. The next thing here is this home cooked salted Virginia peanuts by Hubby Peanut Company, in a single serving power pack of peanuts. Just a little single pack. This is also a good size sample for you to test. Peanuts. The next thing here is these. I love also that they include this kind of samples in an extra little layer of a bag. It's really nice because I have gotten sample boxes from other people that they just include this thing in there, and they just might explode because of the pressure of the mail or anything, and there's a mess. And they include it in a bag. And this is a Go by Greenshield Organics. This is lavender organic laundry detergent. It's good clean, and honest. Oh, laundry detergent. I thought this was like jam or something. Laundry detergent by Greenshield. Greenshield Organic. Ah, nice. This is a single serving for like washing your clothes. So absolutely, it's for a load. You gotta know if it's good or not. It's HE, safe for all machines, and no animal tested. So that's very nice. And the last thing here, besides the infomercials for the Go Green sample. Oh, this is actually another sample. I thought it was for the Greenshield Organics. But look at that. Huh. They included a little sheet here that this is special introduction. Clean cleaning cloth. Huh. It's just a little cleaning cloth that comes in a little baggie. What? I had to change to my phone. The quality is going to be a little bit different from the camera. But we were on this thing for the Go Green or Clean. It says it supposedly is a miraculous fiber technology with natural solvent force of water to produce evolution of streakless chemical free green cleaning, or GLEEN. Oh, it's a G. Our GLEEN green cleaning cloth will clean windows, mirrors, stainless steel, and many other solid surfaces streakless with just water. Hundreds of 5 stars on Amazon with rave reviews. Yeah, that's what it is. A cleaning cloth. This a five ingredients or less coconut lime lip balm, and it looks like this. Luna likes lip balms. And there you go. It's totally was sealed. I just opened it. Oh my god. Oh my god. It coconut lime. They taste like Mexican lemon popsicles. Look.
Lemon.
Coconut lemon. Absolutely love it. Yeah. And that is all in the box. I think my favorite will be the lip balm because of the scent. And the popcorn Luna love. And the granolas, this is a plus. I like them. Other than that, that is all that we got on our daily goodie box. This was for the month of March. If you want something in particular, remember the links will be down in the description box if you choose one to buy yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you did, thank you very much, and I will